Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, I am making hand-shaped artist trading cards, and I'm hosting a swap, open to everyone in the world who wants to participate. I'm hosting this swap with DecoArt, my favorite paint brand, and Gel Press. And to celebrate, we'll be giving several sets of Americana multi-surface satin paints and a gel press to people who use these products in their ATCs. Rules of the swap are on my blog, and I'm going to leave a link to the blog in the description so that you can participate. These particular cards are shaped like hands, and they are layered with crafty goodness. So you can use all kinds of things, anything from fabric and paper to glitter and buttons. It's up to you. This swap is a terrific way to share your art with other artists from around the world and make some new friends. Simply send me 5 hand-shaped cards that you've made, and I'll send you 5 different hand-shaped cards from other artists around the world. Are you ready? Let's make some hand-shaped ATCs. Everyone is responsible for their own return postage for this particular swap, and I really hope you enter. It's going to be a lot of fun. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I will see you next week. Bye.